Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone, my name is Diny Nurhaliza. I'm from English Education Department, Universitas Lancang Kuning, 6th semester. Okay guys, I want to present a proposal. The title is A Cultural Content Analysis in English Textbooks for Junior High School Students, Grade 8. Entitled Break and English, published by Erlangga. Background of the problem. At first, English is a cultural language that is used globally. Almost a lot of countries use English as an international language and commonly used for international communication. According to Tommy Kartika Putra, English is increasingly used by non-native speakers as an international language. This language and culture are related to each other. It was being one packaging. Next, identification of problem. Based on the background above, there are few problems of cultural content analysis of English textbooks for junior high school students, grade 8. Entitled Break and English. Furthermore, the English textbooks is widely used throughout the Indonesian country. This choice could enhance readership validity because textbook user, teacher, and students will be the primary who get the impact of the content is not considered will the standards of curriculum 2013 and context. Then the teacher using the textbooks as the guidance and main tool for developing material in teaching learning. Even though we have know that language and culture include each other. So, when the teacher explain the material about the language, teacher it need to explain contextually and make the student own culture highlight. Limitation of problem. This research aims to find out about what are the culture present in the textbooks. And the research also would like to find out about how are the culture present in the textbooks. Then the research would like to analyze the culture presented in the textbooks and what sense it categories, and finally make the present tense to know which dominantly in the students' textbooks, and the title Break and English for grade 8. Assumption. The research assumes that there are some cultural contrasts with students' culture that presented in the textbooks. That is why to find out the mistake or definition that found in these textbooks. It can help some elements that roles in education. The result of this research can help the teacher, students, government institution, the book publisher, and for the next researchers to improve the standard of the textbook's content. Significance of the research. In this research, the researchers is not giving the tool for solving the problem. It is only trying to find the data from textbooks as a document. Because the context of this research is analyzing the content does not give a method. Instrument of the research. The researcher's instrument use documentation as we know that. Documentation is method to analyze written documents such as book, magazine, file, and picture in systematically. In this research, the researcher using the textbook as the document for analysis, and the data will be taken and analyzed by researchers so to find out what culture are represented in the textbooks and how culture are represented in the textbooks. Break and English for Junior High School Grade 8, published by Erlangga. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.